So our friends over at Lisle Tools put their thinking caps on and came up with an absolute stellar solution for those pesky unit bearings. And it's really simple on how it works. So what you do is you go ahead and put this plate on, followed by these two little cool collars, and then your lug nuts on the lug studs. Once this thing is nice and snug, you go ahead and take this screw and put it on there. Then you're gonna go ahead and run this screw in, and this thing is impact safe. I always recommend putting a little bit of grease on the screw as well so you don't have dry threads. And you're gonna work the unit bearing out with this tool. So you're gonna start at the top of the knuckle, run this in, get it loose on one side, loosen it back off, spin it to the bottom. You're never gonna wanna just push in one spot because it's gonna cock the thing in there sideways and you might break it. So really this tool is just gonna help you work it out slowly but surely and get that new unit bearing in. Before you install that new one, you're gonna wanna clean it up a little bit, maybe use a little never seize to get the thing so it comes out easier for you the next time. Now, Lisle made this thing out of really strong steel, and it's a nice coarse screw, so you don't have to worry about stripping the studs out on it. And it's impact safe, so you really can wrap on it with your air tool or your cordless electric tool of your choice. Now head over to summitracing.com to pick yourself up one of these hub removers and see all the other cool stuff that Lisle Tools makes. So jump in the comment section below and tell us what you love about this tool. And until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and the question always is, what are you working on?